In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off double tap to wake up your Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings and then just scroll down until you find Advanced Features here. After that, go to Motions and Gestures. And all we have to do now, guys, in order to turn off double tap to turn on the screen is just deactivate this option. And also here we can deactivate that one too. Now, when our device is locked and screen is turned off, if we double tap, it won't wake up our device. However, in that case, it shows me always on display information. And you would like to turn it off, you can easily do so as well. To do that, we need to go to Settings. And after that, we need to go to Display and Brightness. Actually, it is called Display here. After that, scroll down to the very bottom and select Always on Display. And that's where we can easily turn it off. Now, guys, if we double tap at our screen, nothing is going to happen. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.